What's up everybody, my name's Trey and welcome to another video. Now if you don't know, I started an income challenge in which I'm going to be making $100,000 by the end of the year. Now kind of the stipulation about this income journey that I'm doing right now is I can't count any of my money or any of my earnings from my primary job. Now I can use that income to invest in different businesses, different side hustles, invest in the stock market, invest in crypto, but I can't actually count that income towards my $100,000 challenge. So for instance, I can't make $100,000 at work and say, hey, I hit my goal of $100,000 because I made it all at work. That doesn't seem fair, so not able to do it. So in this video, it'll just be an update on where exactly I'm at in this journey. Now this is episode 3, so super excited for you to be here. If you are somebody that's new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. And with that being said, let's get into that intro, baby. Now, when we're actually looking at the income generated from this challenge, I'm doing a number of different things. 6 YouTube channels, I have 15 Facebook shops open. I'm running about 10 other shops for people that I know. I'm looking at possibly starting my own agency. I'm starting lead gen. I'm doing Uber automation. I'm getting into Airbnb. Let's just say I'm doing a lot, but let's just get into the update because we got a lot to go over. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about is Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops drop shipping. Because in my opinion, it is the easiest, hands down, easiest way of making money online right now. And that's because Facebook has a ton of organic traffic on the platform. They're saying that upwards of 1 billion people use Facebook every single month. So might as well be on the platform with the most traffic. And it's free traffic, which is really nice. So if we're kind of going over this, the first one that we're going to look at is my marketplace number 1, because I have 3 different Facebook accounts. Each one of them has a different marketplace and each of them have different shops. Now I'm not actively selling on all of the shops that I have, so I'll just be going over the ones that I am selling on because I'm kind of trying some different things on each one of the accounts. So first one is my marketplace. Like I said, it's on my main account. I've made in total about $1,500 this month, and as of right now it is the 18th of the month, so hopefully we can definitely get that closer to around $3,000 in revenue generated on this account. I don't think marketplaces are really built to handle a ton of sales and a ton of revenue. Like, I don't think you can make $100,000 every single month in revenue on a marketplace, but it is very good supplemental income, very good side income that you can use to fund other businesses, invest in the market, and do that type of stuff. Now, if we look at my second marketplace account, and we are in May. In May, we've done a little bit over 600 bucks. Profit is close to 200. Like I said, the marketplaces, in my opinion, just don't have enormous numbers. Now, I've also just recently started drop shipping on all of my marketplaces. Originally, I was actually getting the physical item from Goodwill, from yard sales, from my house, and I was selling them to people on the marketplace, meeting up with them in person, exchanging the item, getting the money. So obviously, that's a lot less scalable than drop shipping, but I don't think that's what marketplace was meant to be used for. So this is just kind of some of the results I'm getting. Now, I've also diversified onto some different platforms like Mercari, Poshmark, Bonanza, Pinterest, Google Shopping. Haven't had a ton of results on different platforms, but just kind of trying them out because you never know. Maybe one of these other platforms that I'm using pops off and makes me a ton of money. Then I need to put more of my effort onto that one, other than some of the ones that I'm on that really haven't gotten any traction whatsoever. On Mercari, we are close to 200 bucks, little over $65 in profit. Like I said, nothing crazy, but all this income helps when it comes to the grand scheme of things, hitting that $100,000 threshold. Next one we're looking at is Poshmark. I have absolutely no traction on Poshmark. I'm trying my best. I will be coming up with another video because I finally figured out how to generate some traffic onto the store. It's just not resulting in sales as of yet, but I'm super excited for that video to actually come out. About 17 bucks on Poshmark and profits about $7. Bonanza, absolutely no sales, no income, nothing on the platform. I haven't even got views on it. Like, it's a very hard platform for me to understand as of right now because I can't get any views on any of my listings on Bonanza. So if you have sold on Bonanza, if you're getting any type of results, please leave a comment in the comment section down below because I would love to hear your experience and hopefully get some sales rolling in on my Bonanza account. Now, on my third marketplace, we ran into a little bit of an issue. One of my employees basically posted an item that was not profitable. I don't know, for whatever reason, they basically read that the item was a certain price and then they listed it much lower than the price that we bought it from. So we're actually $12 in the negative on this account. So hopefully 1 or 2 more sales we can be in the positive. It shouldn't happen. I'm training my employees and my VAs now on how to make sure it doesn't happen again because, like I said, we shouldn't be taking losses when we're selling products. But that is one thing you run into when you're kind of running multiple accounts with multiple employees. Just making sure everybody is trained up and knows exactly what they're doing is pretty important. Now, those are my 3 marketplaces, as well as kind of the other accounts that I've been playing on, like I said, Mercari, Poshmark, and Bonanza. I haven't actually made any sales or any listings on my Google Shopping or on my Pinterest account, but those will be coming up later in future updates on my channel. So make sure you stay tuned. Now, on the shop, this is the shop that I paid $10,000 to Andrew for with limitless profits to basically run this shop for me. It doesn't look like we really have any traction on this account as of yet. Hopefully we can start making more sales so I can make back my investment of that $10,000. But at least we're making some sales, so I guess I can't be too terribly upset. Like I said, just hopefully we can continuously grow this and I can at least break even by the end of the year. That would be ideal. Now on to my next shop. These are shops that I am personally running. I do not have any VAs on this shop right now. However, I am looking at possibly putting some VAs on it because Lord knows I need all the help I can get. So in May, we made about $3,200 in revenue and the profits right around 1,200 bucks. So hopefully I can scale this to really close to 6,000 in revenue and hopefully just double the profit and looking at anywhere between $2,400 to $3,000 in profit. It's kind of my goal for this shop for May. Like I said, we're on the 18th, so hopefully I can kind of scale it up a little bit more, make a little bit more money with this shop. But it seems to be running pretty good. The most important thing in my opinion is seeing that there's growth month over month with all of the accounts. All of the marketplaces, all of the shops are getting more sales than they were the previous month. And that's really exciting for me because that means the scalability of all of my marketplaces and shops are definitely at a point where I can make more money. And that is the goal of this, to make money. Now, if we look at my biggest shop right now, we're at $8,700 in revenue, right around 3,100 bucks in profit. Like I said, just hoping to really double those numbers, get as close to $1,500 in profit as possible, or in revenue as possible, and then getting my actual net profit to around $6,000 on this specific shop. Really hoping that we can push right around $10,000 in actual profit on all of the sites that I'm on, all the platforms that I'm using, because in order to hit $100,000, we really got to pick up the pace, especially because it's already May. Now, I'm also running some other accounts. I'm looking at possibly starting up my own agency, which could be kind of fun, but I'm just kind of helping my friends out when it comes to making money online, teaching them the ins and outs of marketplace and shops. So this is my buddy's account that I run. This is on his personal marketplace. Nothing crazy. However, I'm really excited to see that the ROI, so actually the profit margins that we're getting almost 50%, which is crazy because if you're on different platforms, especially like eBay, for instance, you know that the profit margins are normally not nearly that high. So really excited to see that we are actually getting him some income coming in the month of April. Now, if we go to May, we are a little bit down when it comes to our profit margin, but we're still making a decent amount of sales on the actual platform. I mean, $153 in the last 18 days. Seems pretty good in my opinion. Like I said, hopefully we can continue to scale it up a little bit and just make a little bit more money for my buddy because, hey, I like making people money online. Now, I have also started drop shipping on Amazon, which it's a lot harder than I initially thought, but it's pretty cool because it looks like right now we are right around $1,400 and hopefully we can at least double that by the end of the month. Bringing in for Amazon, it looks to be like a more long-term play. Of course, we are drop shipping on the platform. We would like to move into wholesale or private label at some point in time. We're just really validating that we can make money on Amazon. We know how the platform works. We're not really too concerned right now about how much money we're making. We just want to verify that we know what we're doing. We're not going to get kicked off immediately, learn the ins and outs of the platform, and then we're going to worry about scaling to those huge numbers that everybody talks about, making $50,000 a month in revenue, which would be great, but obviously it takes time to actually do that. So we're just starting off small, hopefully going to make some more sales on this account, and then slowly but surely move into those months where we're making 10 to $50 to $100,000 a month in revenue is kind of the goal on this account. Now, if we are, now I'm also running accounts for other businesses. This right here is a lawn care business that I just started running their Facebook shop and their Amazon account for. No sales as of yet. Really excited to see how this one goes because it's already a niche down type of shop because we're only going to be selling lawn care equipment, home and garden stuff on this shop. So I want to see if I can take a shop given a specific niche and try to make as many sales and as much money as humanly possible in that niche, because right now that's not what I'm doing. I'm basically selling products in every niche, finding winning products or finding hot products and then kind of spamming around those products so I can continue making sales in that specific niche. So maybe trying to sell in a niche off the bat may be really good, or it may be a lot harder to actually get sales and get traction. So I'll definitely keep you updated on that one. I think this could be a really fun kind of project to do to see if it's even possible to niche down just right off the bat. And then I'm also going to be running, it looks like 15-ish other shops for some of my friends. So I've been basically reaching out to them and saying, hey, go ahead and open up different shops, go ahead and open up different Facebooks, open up some Amazon accounts, and let's go ahead and see how much money we can actually make with this. Because based on my accounts, it looks like it's going pretty well. It's pretty profitable. It's making me a decent amount of money. Now it's about helping out the people around me with the hopes of eventually starting my own agency. I would love to be able to help people make money online, and it seems like Facebook, Amazon, Mercari, Poshmark are kind of the ways to do it. They don't seem too terribly hard. A lot of them already have organic traffic within those sites. So just kind of running trial and error. Hopefully we can continue to scale up. It looks like right now I'm on pace to do anywhere between $10,000 and $15,000 in profit, just kind of on these different accounts that I'm running is with my friends' accounts and everything's like that. So it looks like it's a decent amount of money. It could pay pretty well, which is kind of the goal of this whole challenge, is make as much money as possible and do something that I actually enjoy doing on a daily basis. So that's kind of it for episode 3. Like I said, I'm really focused heavily on e-commerce at the beginning. Hopefully I can scale them up a little bit more, hire out some more employees, and then free up my time to go do other things, whether that be Airbnb, Uber automation. I'm looking at OnlyFans management right now, which is a really cool concept if I can get some models and some people that'll let me kind of manage their accounts. But just trying some different things to make money online, and I really hope that you enjoy watching me through this process, because number one, you're either going to find a whole lot of ways to make money online, or you're gonna find out the quickest way to become homeless and spend all your money. So either way, should be kind of exciting. So if you are someone that's new to the channel, my name's Trey. I basically make videos on how you can make money online, diversify your income, and financial news that I think is pretty important for you to know. So if that's something that interests you, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Yes, it is free. Yes, it helps my channel more than you can ever imagine. So go ahead and hit the buttons, guys, because it really helps your boy out. And I will see you in the next update of the $100,000 challenge. See ya. Peace.